If you're wondering what on earth to eat, where to get it, how to cook it, where does it come from, and does it really work once you've digested it, then have we got a culinary nutritional experience for you. At Byron Bay Cooking School and our International Food Health Wealth events, we teach food as medicine. We talk about the healing properties of food, what they do, and how they work synergistically in the body once you've digested them. It's a fascinating journey, and we really would love you to come and be a part of one of our big city masterclasses, or perhaps a regional corporate event in the lush tropical surrounds of Byron Bay. Now, I've been teaching food as medicine for nearly 20 years, and during that time I've seen so many facts and fiction and food myths come across my plate. What do you do with kale? What on earth is a superfood? Does a goji berry really work? So we debunk all of these myths for you. We teach you how to incorporate really good locally sourced food and how to work with that knife, what to do with a cutting board, teach you really amateur skills, but we can also hone you to be that fantastic home pro. So if there's a little MasterChef brewing in you and you'd really like to come up to Byron Bay, or you'd like myself and my corporate team to radiate out to you nationally or even overseas, we'd love to show you our secrets of our food as medicine cooking school success. We teach the absolute beginner, and we share our philosophy, not just for the corporate environment, but also very, very clinical as a qualified clinical nutritionist, and also as a graduate with a master's from the Cordon Bleu. We can teach you so many different things and really help you understand the truth about food as medicine, and ultimately it's about food and happiness. So I hope you'll join me one day and let's share the spirit of good food.